Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate very much your generous invitation to be here tonight.
Deal with depression, the pressure could be destructive. Though healing real appealing, my feelings feel interruptive. Lost respect for idols when witnessing other dealings. Guess we all should toss it since bosses became corruptive. Transparency, what in private I do in public. This ain't tricky shit, no backdoor rub and tug it. Contact a clear view, my rear view's a pain. When I talk to God, yo, God gave me a covenant. I'm loving it like Mickey D's. I'll never taste the sick of teas. Pockets of these thicker thieves, your daughter, my dick and knees. Incorporate menage with mom, assassinate the mad dad. Styles like atomic bomb, I clean up like a glad bag. We been spitting beast bars, y'all be playing grab ass. I can see trees for yards, y'all be sapping that sad. This one ain't emotional, real God devotional. Fuck your promotional, I'm about the social goal. This one for kosher coal, watch my dick go do-si-do. Pockets full of greenbacks, I've been growing nosy posts. Chilling in my shade house with trichomes and roly poles. Fuck religious churches and purchase and Holy Ghost. How could I buy it? You already sold your only soul. Hate to break it to you, but the most I ain't the only road. Take a hint, a lesson, be ready for the feedback. Haters live to question the blessing in my weed sack. Smoke it to my face, set the pace where my keys at. Driving I-15 on diesel, just in weed packs. Go ahead and pull me over, got my card, I'm cool. Revoking driver's license to leave me in a pool. Little do they know, got gas in the truck. Check the towing company, looks like we're in luck. I'm such a lucky fuck, bet right on dodging crisis. Cause if I lost that money, then I'd be going ISIS. I'm hard on my goals, I beat them till they're lifeless. I dominate the matrix, they fucking like it's priceless. No, I'll pay the cost, but that's what living life is. You better raise your chest, in the West is where you find this. Kicking back, smoking, show you what a good time is. Think it might be time, I'm rhyming until I'm timeless. Shit don't get better, I'ma be the worst nihilist. I'ma keep writing till my right's really righteous. Arson.
There is no escaping either the gravity or the totality of its challenge to our survival and to our security.
Healed from aggression, but madness only selection. Backhand the ones that back the president's election. Pick here, shit sandwich or a giant douche. Shoot a bunch of blanks, but still hand man the proof. Talking mankind, not the corporate mankind. Not the taxing every dime for a penny on the shine. They're chilling in their backyards with pennies on the line. Push prescription pills, own Denny's on the side. This is shark music, check the pool you're swimming in. Stop fag bashing, some dudes are just feminine. Seeing girl on girl get spicy like cinnamon. Love to see the women win, but to this bitch ain't listening. She's as crazy as Christian man the first time they get it in. Since we talking outlook, you out looking for your friends. I see different other pyramids, no scheming on you. I'm downright disgusted, really beaming on you. Any given Sunday, don't try to take my guns away. I look at it one way, that'd be a dumb play. Grabbing 20 acres so my property's a gun range. Always talking some change, we'll see when your sums change. Wanna see your rich asses going through a bum phase. I ain't saying rid taxes, I ain't preaching gun blaze. I don't want civil war or them ending bombs out. Promise me one thing, no electing, keeping calm now. Always talking real talk, call it what I see say. Shut the radio down, it's always stuck on replay. Bought the fucking playhouse, so you will let me play. Album drop for free, we'll call that a cheap date. I'll be running elbows no matter what my knees say. You sound for pre-play, your style is prepaid. Smoke with me a minute, see I get it how I live. As of lately though, I'm on a get it how I need. Wait.
Even today, there is little value in ensuring the survival of our nation if our traditions do not survive with it. And there is very grave danger